Dear students, I start with lecture 311. Lecture 3 of 311. Economic order quantity EOQ model with constant rate of demand. Economic order quantity EOQ model was first developed by Ford Harris and R. Wilson independently in 1950. The model is developed under following assumptions. મેં તમને કહ્યું છોકરાઓ કે આ બધી બહુ જ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ સિચ્યુએશનની વાત કરી છે આની અંદર. આપણે હું લખીએ કારણ કે બતાવવું પડશે તમારે. You have to show somewhere they may ask in exam. You have to do that. So we first write the assumptions which they made. The system deals with single item. Standardly, is it possible? Only one thing can sold by company. The demand rate are units per time unit is known and constant. Demand rate never remain constant, but here we have to assume that it is constant and also it is known. Next assumption, shortage are not allowed. Lead time is 0. Replenishment rate is infinite. Replenishment size Q is the decision variable. T is cycle time. The inventory holding cost H per unit per time unit and also with ordering cost. A per order is known and constant during the period under review. During the period under review. So these are the assumptions made by these persons, both of these persons, Ford Harris and R. Wilson, and they made the model. Which type of model we just discussing after this one. So first have a look over this one and then we go further. At each replenishment, Q units are ordered and stopped. R equal to demand rate at per unit time during cycle time T and therefore Q is RT. Therefore, moreover, this is time, this is inventory level, this is time. So this will be the graph. Inventory means Q. You can write that Q. So whatever we are doing, this is in economic order quantity, the same order, means that the same topic. ત્યાં એમ જ આગળ જઈએ છે. QT inventory at time T of a cycle. So we have some notations are there, means we have a differential equation and the general solution for that. dQt by dt is minus R and therefore you have to eliminate the sign there and you have to keep it in your mind that યાદ રાખવાનું છે છોકરાઓ તમારે આ. અને હવે આપણે આમાં મેથ્સને લગતું આગળ જઈશું, પણ you have to keep in mind that this is the inventory subject to time. And also the average inventory I1Q is 1 upon T 0 to 2 0 to T Qt dt, that will be the Q by 2 and this will be RT. Average means we have to total inventory divided by 2. So all these things are symbolic, not as per the math what we are doing as actually math, but here it is a symbolic. Therefore, total cost TCQ is IHC plus OC. Holding cost plus ordering cost per time unit. Therefore, TCQ HQ by 2 plus AR by Q, we say this as equation number 1. All these symbols are standard. આ બધા standard symbol આપણે ઉપયોગ કર્યા છે and I have mentioned you all of them. मैं તમને બધા જ મેન્શન પણ કર્યા છે. At optimization, differentiation of TCQ with respect to Q will be 0. Optimize થશે ને, હવે અહીંયાથી આપણું actual maths આવી જાય છે કે જ્યારે optimization મળશે ત્યારે Q ની સાથેનું differentiation 0 આવશે. That you know, f dash is 0 અને RT માઇનસ S સ્ક્વેર મેં તમને SY માં શીખ્યું છે, તમે યાદ કરો છોકરાઓ સેમ 3 માં. ઓકે, ભૂલી ગયા હોય તો હવેથી પાછું એને યાદ કરી લેજો, બટ રાઇટ નાઉ યુ હેવ ટુ એક્સેપ્ટ ઇટ. At optimization, differentiation of TCQ with respect to Q is 0. And we say the optimized quantity is Q0. આપણે Q0 થી એને દર્શાવીશું. That will be the optimized quantity. Clear? હવે આનું તમે Q થી ડેરિવેશન કરો તો શું મળે? That will be h/2 minus AR upon Q square 0. And therefore Q0 is square root of 2AR upon H, and this will be the optimum value. જો આને સામે લઈ જાઓ અને એને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરો તમને આન્સર આવી જશે. Now we put this value of Q0 in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies total cost TCQ0 is h/2 into square root of 2AR upon H plus AR to AR upon H. Okay, it is 1 upon Q. We are using this equation 1. સમજી લેજો. સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરો તો છોકરાઓ ચલો શું થાય છે જુઓ. જો તમે આને અંદર લઈ જાઓ. You do this inside. Square root of 2h square AR upon 4h plus square root of h a square r square 2AR. So this will be square root of h a r by 2 square root of h a r by 2. So this will be 2 times square root of h a r by 2. So you can 2 will be inside, so this will be 2 h a r, and this is total cost at optimum value of quantity TCQ0 is 2HAR. You should keep in mind. આ તમારે યાદ રાખવાનું છે. ઓકે છોકરાઓ ધ્યાનથી જોઈ લો. And I stop this lecture here. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.